Who's screaming, Luca?
Yeah.
Liam is. Hey, what are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning? Oh, what's on your finger? Come here and show me. What do you have, a broom? What are you cleaning? Are you cleaning Grandma's driveway? You're going to clean over by the car? The big white car? You brush the nuts off the driveway? Good job, Luca. Good job. Good job. Got some. You're gonna go. Who are you gonna go find? Oh, make Grandma Candy so happy you're cleaning her sidewalk. Who's down there? Who's down there?
Yeah.
Liam? Someone's cleaning the sand out of the alley and way down there. Good job.